In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix Windows error code 0x80070017 during installation, update, or system restore. So let's get started. First thing that we can do is we have to click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon, then click on System on the left pane. Scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. And here you will find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply try or run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and that will fix the issue for you. After doing so, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, we can also delete the contents or the files of the software distribution folder. So for that, right click at the Start button and then here you have to select File Explorer. Click on this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down and click on the Windows folder. Scroll down and look for the software distribution folder. Then delete everything from here. Click on one folder, then Control A to select all. Click the delete icon, then close this. Now, open the recycle bin and also empty the recycle bin. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Next method is if you encounter this error code when you are trying to restore the system, then we can reset the repository by running two commands. So go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. So first you need to type net space stop space winmgmt. Hit enter. Now this is stopping the Windows Management Instrumentation Service. Then we are going to restart this. So simply type winmgmt space / reset repository. Hit enter. The commands will be shared in the description section of this video. WMI repository has been reset. Now type exit and that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.